Another day, another story. A heartwarming video about dogs. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. The world would be a nicer place if everyone had the ability to love as unconditionally as a dog. Once you have a wonderful dog, a life without one is a life diminished. Dogs come into our lives to teach us about love. They depart to teach us about loss. A new dog never replaces an old dog, it merely expands the heart. No one appreciates the very special genius of your conversation as the dog does. Dogs are the essence of love, pure, simple, and always there, no matter what. The greatest fear dogs know is the fear that you will not come back when you go out the door without them. Everyone thinks they have the best dog, and none of them are wrong. Dogs do speak, but only to those who know how to listen. Those who teach the most humanity aren't always humans. Dogs are our link to paradise. They don't know evil, or jealousy, or discontent. A dog's heart is bigger than anything that you can ever own. If I had a currency for every time my dog made me smile, I would be a millionaire. If you pick up a starving dog and make him prosperous, he will not bite you. This is the principal difference between a dog and man. A dog can show you more honest affection with a flick of his tail than a man can gather through a lifetime of handshakes. Such short little lives our pets have to spend with us, and they spend most of it watching for us to come home each day. Dogs are one of the most beloved and popular animals in the world, known for their loyalty, intelligence, and companionship. Dogs provide numerous benefits to their owners, including companionship, emotional support, and increased physical activity. They are also used in various professional settings, such as law enforcement and the military. Dogs require proper care and attention, including regular exercise, training, and veterinary checkups. They also have specific dietary needs that must be met in order to maintain good health. Despite their popularity, there are many dogs in need of homes, and adoption is a great way to provide a loving home to a deserving animal. Overall, dogs are incredible animals that have become an important part of human society. I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe to see more interesting content. Thanks for watching.